Good morning, the gang. 3 a.m. 4 a.m. What time is it, Jade?
16 minutes past
Jade,
4.
come say hello to everyone.
Hi. Oh,
It's
my God, that's
4 a.m. That's the best buddy. As you can see, we're all here. We are ready for motherfucking Santa Pod. So let's get it. Let's get on the journey, get on the road, and I'll see you in 4 hours' time at the other end. Let's roll.
I go to loud places to search for someone to be quiet with, who will take me home. You go to loud places to find someone who will take you higher than I took you.
Hello, Leo. Hello, Luke. Yeah? You want to be on it?
Can't be on your YouTube.
You can be on my YouTube.
You better not put that because people will think we're being ableist.
It's going on YouTube.
Didn't I take you to higher places you can't reach without me? Reach without
Doing the move.
I go to those places.
Robbery at its fucking finest. Oh my god! Not the low game, Ricky, not the low game! Ricky, no! Let's find out.
Where we used to go, they seem so quiet now. I'm here all alone. You go to new places where I don't know,
Leo, how's the camp progress going?
and I don't know how.
Yeah, that's Leo's tent.
Follow you.
That's fucking Sam's tent. Absolute mansion. Oh, we got the gazebo going. I'm feeling around. Fucking stuff. Bye, guys.
you come down, I won't be around.
This is for all the gang. If you made it this far into the video, you're a real trooper. I want to thank you all for the greatest weekend away. It's been awesome. Everyone's had a great time, and it's mint to be back out doing what we love and spending time together. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, press the like button, leave a comment, hit subscribe, do all that funky jazz. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I will see you all in the next video. See you later.